Hey everybody, new hot product alert today. The new Redcat RDS two-wheel drive competition spec drift car. We're gonna unbox it today. Man, this car is beautiful. It looks like a design out of iRobot. Beautiful color, super sleek, just gorgeous looking car. Let's take a look what's in the box. So they give you some stickers, the manual, which we never use. We also have an extra bag of tuning parts, some body posts, foam bumper, some goodies in there. Redcat includes a standard 2-channel radio. Underneath here are the trim switches and the reverse switches. I really love the color. I really love the design of this body, but here's the added value. Redcat includes magnetic body mounts. That's really nice. This thing is positively gorgeous. It includes a full carbon fiber chassis, which ensures durability, strength, and saves on weight. The car's powered by a brushless 3300 kV, low drag, high RPM motor. Check out how they elevated the motor back here. They've included a 60 amp ESC with a fan on it that'll accommodate a 2 or 3 cell LiPo. The Redcat dual gain gyro includes adjustable endpoints and it's comparable to the Yokomo. For steering, they've added a cordless drift spec digital servo. They've included some really nice aluminum shocks. Great response out of them. This is the first time I've ever seen them include Deans on their ESC instead of the proprietary Redcat connector. This will make a lot easier for choosing your battery. Let's go take it for a drive on the drift track. Okay, we got the car. We're over here with Keone, Prototype Drift Arena. We're gonna try this car out. Thanks again for joining us. Don't forget to follow us on all our social media. We'll see you soon.